no gold is not enough.
Good morning, beautiful people. How you guys doing today? Hope you guys have an amazing days. Oh wow, what we have here. What do you call this, Sam? That looks so yummy.
Peppermint layer.
What?
Cake lapis peppermint.
It's a peppermint.
Yes.
Peppermint cake layer. Oh, I thought it's a pandan flavor.
No.
It's a peppermint flavor.
Ika lucu na
If
dia.
you guys remember, we buy our ration previous day. Let me taste it a while. And now that you know, it's really good. Alright. This is our breakfast for today. I'm going to cook this. Hope you guys can follow me through the process of cooking my kind of style cooking. Let's go. So what I like to do is I'm using 2 claws of garlic. That's all. Just kind of smash them. Basically you have like almost done and chop bit. Heat up pan. I'm using a high heat pan, so it get hot quicker. It's basically it's a saucepan, so don't need to worry about getting too long, and straight away, just a few seconds it get hot. And guys, I already measured for one bowl, for one packet of noodles, so exactly one bowl. Alright, cool. And I might use a lot of oil, and then quickly put egg inside it. Basically just get it around like that. Stir after stir, put some water, and you simmer. Then you simmer, and then you put your noodle later on and boil and then you simmer your noodle. Alright. Right, while you wait for simmer, and then you quickly put the flavor, the ingredient inside, the seasoning, because you want the curry to boil together with the egg, and then it came out with the broth later on, curry broth, chicken curry broth. And then after a few minutes, you see it boil, and then you put your 2-minute noodles Maggie inside it. There it says 2 minutes noodles, 2-minute instant. It's cool. It's a curry flavored. And you see it's almost done already. We don't want our noodle to be overcooked, soggy later on, because this noodle made for only 2 minutes. Bada bing, bada boom. Close it. Just like that. That's fancy, yo. Super fancy. And this is when you know it's JJDV cooked. So I hope you guys try this recipe. It's very easy and simple. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let's see if my wife like it. And as you guys can see, you cannot see the back of the mountain anymore because it's raining. So I guess we're not able to walking today because due to the rain. So might be delay a bit with our trip for today. I'm going to, I think we are staying at home only. It's raining already. You like the smell?
Yes. So may selalu masak minggi untuk saya, guys.
That is the only thing that I know how to cook. Easy.
Thank you, Yang.
Welcome.
Thank you, my love.
Welcome.
Walaupun minggi saja, guys. Sedap.
Sedap. I cook from the heart.
Yeah, thank you, Yang.
Welcome.
I love it.
Thank you.
Wow.
Thumbs up, thumbs up. Alright. We just finished eating and looks like heavily rain. Heavy rain. Heavy rain. Oh my gosh. Cannot walk like this. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up and thank you guys for subscribing. For those who don't yet subscribe, please subscribe our channel, like and share our channel and comment down below. We love to hear from you. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon on the side so that you get notified by our new video. Thank you guys, peace yo. And due to the rain, the mountain is invisible. Cloudy also. And there is the river that we are fishing on the previous video. Oh, not much we can do during this day because it's rain and the road is slippery. And this rain making our road terrible.